Today's news takes place in Toronto Pearson International Airport. The airport is extremely busy due to the attacks in the US. Thousands of people are moving north towards Greenland for evacuation. Thousands of planes are falling from the sky. The aviation complex industry is currently finding a reason for this attack. It's happening every...
Currently, thousands of planes have been falling out of the sky. The reason for this issue is because of the B-37's electromagnetic pulse. This led to all technology around the globe to shut off. Power sources, vehicles, and technology were all affected during this attack. It took about an hour for the power to turn back on. After the incident, people's bodies began to fuse together inside of the planes. Lately there had been 12 infected aircrafts spotted all around Canada. Some were even spotted swimming in the Pacific and the Atlantic Ocean.
The B-37 has absorbed a huge amount of radiation, and we don't know